Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to open the Clipboard on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's say you copied something and you wanted to open up the Clipboard to be able to find it. The first thing, let's just copy it by tapping and holding on some text and tapping on the copy button, those two rectangles. It says it's copied to my clipboard. To be able to find that clipboard, I'm going to open up the keyboard. Now, keep in mind, if you start typing something, it will automatically suggest some content at the very top, right above the numbers. You want to tap that little back arrow here. And after you've done that, you'll see a screen that looks like this. You're going to look for the clipboard, but if you don't find it, you can tap on those three dots and look for it within here. It's that little clipboard icon. You can just tap on it and you'll be able to see there is your clipboard on your Android or Samsung phone, whatever phone you have. You can see all I need to do to paste is to tap on something and it will automatically paste it. I can do a couple other things as well. I can choose to tap the pin button and pin a comment or basically some phrase that I copied. Or I can also just tap on the trash can icon and choose one or all of the items in my clipboard. If I wanted to delete them, I could tap on the delete button and entirely clear out my clipboard history. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.